In this video, we are going to learn how to add text to our phaser game. Right now, we have a game where the player clicks on a circle to score points. Now, we want to add some on-screen guidance text. First, you should know that you can create text with this.add.text, and it takes 4 parameters: x and y for the horizontal and vertical coordinates, the text content, and the text style. Here, we create a text that tells the player to click the target. Then we add another line below it that says click the yellow target as fast as you can. Next, we add another text element to show the score, but this time we store it in a variable so we can update it later. Then we go to the event we added for the target. Down where we increase the score variable, we also update the score text so it shows the new score. Now we can see that every time we click the target, the score text updates. After that, we add another text to show the timer to the player. Notice that the structure for creating all these text elements is the same. Then we go to the part where we decrease the timer and update timer text as well. Now both the score and the timer are showing real game data. Next, we add one more text for when the user gets a game over message. Here we set its default value to an empty string. Then in the game over section, we set the text to say game over and show the final score. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.